Hi, my name is Liberty Mora, and I am a student here at Elite College, and I am studying medical aesthetics. And I started in January. To be honest with you, it just happened. I came here and I spoke with Linda, and her energy and her excitement about the industry, and also just seeing the success that she's had. I got really excited, and that excitement hasn't left me. I'm excited about my future. I see a future in this industry. This industry is amazing. There's so much to learn. It's growing, and for me personally, my why, I love to help people. And what I love about this industry, with all of the different treatments and all of the different equipment that or laser machines that we're learning, I've become a problem solver. There's so much women out there that are, they're struggling with different things, and to know that I can solve these problems, that's what's exciting about this industry. So yeah, if you want a change in your life, if you're, thinking, I don't know what to do, give this a try. You never know. Just like me, I never knew, and I stepped out and I did it, and I'm so glad I did.